Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your favorites on the Badoo dating app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Badoo dating app on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be asked to log in using your credentials. After logging in with your credentials, you will be taken into the homepage from which you can directly start matching with various different users. Now, from the encounters page, which is the homepage, if you wish to check your favorites, then you will need to go over to the chats menu. From the chats page, you will be shown all of the profiles that you have matched as well as chatted with. Now, you will also see a star icon at the right side of each profile, which is a symbol that this chat has been favorited. Now, if you want to add any to your favorite, you can simply tap on the star icon and this person will be added to your favorites. Now, if you have lots of profile and you are not able to find your favorite profiles quickly by simply scrolling down, then you will also find the sort option. Tap on sort by and now you can find your favorited. Go ahead and tap on it and now this will show the accounts that you have favorited at the first, followed by the ones that you have not favorited at the bottom. And with this feature, you will be able to locate the accounts that you have favorited onto your account within the Badoo dating app. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to find your favorites on the Badoo dating app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.